Hi, my name is Olivia. Welcome to Maids in America. Since 2007, we have been the highest rated and most reviewed cleaning service in Alabama and are members of the Alabama Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. My job is to help make your cleaning experience exceptional. A few brief tips to help your cleaning experience go smoothly. We have a no smoking policy for our cleaning team. If you witness any exceptions, please call us immediately using extension 802 for customer support. We are a smoke-free cleaning service. While for challenging cleaning tasks, we normally use high-temperature, germ-killing vapor cleaners as part of our standard procedure, we can, by request, sterilize areas of your kitchen or bathrooms with our portable UVC germ-killing wands. For new customers, using your copy of our check sheet, walk through with the cleaning team at the end of the job and before they leave. It's required. The check sheets are available in the orientation page of our website. Any issues you discover can be taken care of immediately by our team. Remember, with all the moving parts of cleaning, there may be a few things missed. Also, keep in mind that there are substantial savings for repeat cleanings with our cleaning voucher packs. We hope you have a great experience and enjoy your clean home.